Welcome back to the vlog. Sorry for the radio silence, I've been moving house. It's been a bit crazy. I was out in Africa just before that, as you've probably seen in my last video. I promised to make a video once a week, and I promise that I'm trying to keep to that. It's just, you know what moving house is like. But I have a new office, which is very exciting. It's much bigger than the last office, so I'll be showing you that in a second. I'm also going to be talking shortly about my vlogging lighting setup. I've had a lot of people ask me how I light these videos. It's not natural daylight, I'm using continuous light, so I'll be showing you that in a second. And then after, I just want to talk a little bit about the plans I have in the next few months and the rest of the year. It's very exciting stuff. So let's show you this house. Hey, so this is actually the desk from my last office, and that was the whole length of my office. So you can see how much bigger this space is, which is very exciting for me. I've got so much more room to shoot and to film. So I've got lots of ideas of things coming up. Let's talk a little bit about my lighting setup. So first off, my front light is a medium-sized ring light. I just got it off Amazon. It's really cheap. It's a fluorescent tube, but it works great for filming. It does need to be plugged into the mains. It's not a battery-powered one, but most of these vlogs are all filmed inside anyway. And if you want to film outside, you can get a battery pack or you can buy a different light. But just wanted to talk about this indoor setup for now. My backlight is also just like an LED panel. Again, it's really cheap from Amazon. It's battery powered, but it lasts for ages. And it just creates that nice lighting. So the front light is to create that nice, natural, soft front light. And the back light, you'll sort of see if I get closer, it kind of creates a rim. It's called a hairline. It creates a rim of light around you, which helps you to pop out from the background. So if you have a look below, I'll link to Amazon to where I got the lights from. I think they're like, I don't know, 50 to 80 pound each, really cheap, great way to start out. So this is actually also how hang on, let me put you over here, then you can see the office better. So this lighting setup is also how I do a lot of my photo shoots. It's a nice balance between a soft front light and a rim light. And a lot of shots that I take with models or lifestyle shots, if I need to use lighting, I have a similar setup to this, unless you want to do something moody, but we'll talk about that in another video. And it's just a nice, simple, very quick setup that you can do on your own. So, talking a bit more about the future, I've got lots of traveling coming up now, which I'm very excited about. Next week I'm in Antigua for a mini conference with the tourist board. It's been arranged by Traverse. There's loads of influencers out there. There's YouTubers, there's photographers and Instagrammers. I'm really excited to collaborate with them. I've got a couple of collaborations in mind. So you're gonna see some cool videos hopefully coming out of Antigua in the next couple of weeks. When I get back, I'm heading straight out to Turkey with my girlfriend Julie. So again, hopefully some interesting video projects there. Towards the end of the year, I've got my first workshop, which is going to be in the Dolomites with Master Photo Tools. And then hopefully towards the end of the year, I've got a workshop in Iceland as well. So lots of exciting stuff this year. I've also got a new startup with 2 other photographers called Neve Studios. Check the link below. So we're doing a high-end commercial photography, hopefully outdoor lifestyle with this big lifestyle brand. So I'm hoping that we're going to start filming some behind the scenes on these shoots to share that with you. And potentially we're going to have some interesting job opportunities opening up, because we're going to need some more videographers and photographers and especially editors to help out. So check the link, follow Neve on social media, and we'll be announcing when we need that. So anyway, thanks so much again for following me and for inspiring me, and I'll see you in the next video.